Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Okay, you just saw the day before yesterday, probably me making the donuts, and I screwed up and had all my chocolate cake donuts, so I didn't show that. Well, I'm going to show that screw up, and then I'm going to show you what I did with them. I was going to make cake pops out of them. I thought I had the sticks to go into it. I didn't, so I couldn't find them anywhere. I thought I seen them somewhere, but things happen. They grow legs, walk away. Part of towboat life. Anyways, all right. So I'm making them cake bites, and wait till you see the ending of the taste test. Oh, okay, yeah, it was good. All right, you guys enjoy the video. Yes, it was fun. All right. See you at the end. Okay, I'm also going to be making chocolate cake donuts. You need a box of cake mix, 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil. Mix all those together, put it in that plastic bag, cut off the end, and then put it in one of these donut holders. I never know what the hell they're called, but you know what it is. And I'll show you how it's done. I'm not going to show you the mixing part because you just mix those all together first, and then I'll take you from there. Alright, be right back. Okay. As you can see, I've already got it piped out. I mean, in the bag. And I got the end cut. So here we go. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees between 12 to 14 minutes. And then I'll show you how I decorate them. So I'll be right back. Okay, the cake donuts are done. Come out. They need to be cooled off before I can decorate them. So I'll be back with that in a moment. Okay, sometimes these can be a hassle, sometimes they're not, so let's check. Just pop it out. There's one. Ow, this one broke off. Oh boy. A lot of them stuck. But you know what? I'll still decorate them. But I gotta wait till they really cool off. Have you ever heard of donut flops? Well, here we go. Donut flops. It's a flop. 3 good ones. The rest are breaking up. I knew I should have done the milk instead of the water. That's how you usually get a firmer donut. Add milk, not water. Oh yeah, they're all breaking up. Well, it's good cake though. I may make cake pops out of this. That sounds good, right? Alright. Well, like I said, this is a partial one. Guess what? I'm gonna make some crescent donut holes. So, let me get this all in a bowl, and later on I'll show you how to make cake pops. Alright, be right back. Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Okay, the other day I made donuts. I made cake donuts. Unfortunately, they didn't turn out. I'm going to show you how it did not turn out, and I'm going to show you what I did with them. Unfortunately, I missed one part of recording it, but you'll know when I explain as it goes along. So, stay tuned for mess up, flop up, screw up cake donuts that turned into cake balls. Be right back. Okay, here is the cake mix, all crumbled up, and I added buttercream frosting. I added about 2.5 cups of buttercream frosting, and about I would say a half a cup of whipped cream. Now, so this is what it looks like when you mix it in together. You just crumble up any type of cake mix that you might screw up into a bowl, and you add all that into it. Now here's the next step. Put it in balls on your parchment paper. And now I'm going to speed up this part of the video so you can see how fast it goes. Okay, now that these are done, now you got to freeze them for an hour, hour and a half. So I'll see you back in about an hour, hour and a half, and tell you what the next procedure is. Okay, the next step is I melted some vanilla flavored almond bark chocolate, and I'm going to be doing just a little bit of chocolate flavored almond bark, and you'll see what I do. Kind of has to be done fast because these are ice cold. It needs to get into this hot stuff, and it's got to be done while it's hot. So you pick it up out of there, dip it in to the hot chocolate. probably about 30 minutes to harden, and then you drizzle some chocolate on it. Oh heck, I can do it now. Let me go melt this chocolate so I can drizzle it on. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Forewarning, this is a microwave safe dish, but it does get hot. Best to use plastic when you melt the chocolate. Okay, here we go. There we go. This is what they look like. Give it about 30 minutes. I'll come and I will do a taste test and bite one into it and show you what it looks like. So I'll be back in a bit. Okay, y'all know this is bad for my diet, right? But I just can't resist. So I'm going to bite into it and then I'm going to zoom in on what you see on the inside. I'm just only doing this for you guys. Not for my benefit, okay? Well, let's go with that story. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. They're creamy. Look at that. Look at that. Look up. You know what? I think I need another bite, just to be sure. As soon as I'm done here. Better yet, let's do it this way. Oh, it's creamy. Something like a bonbon. Okay, enough. I'm going to toss the rest of this away. I'm looking for that lightning strike. You all have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscribe. And if you want to continue getting notifications when I make these types of videos, click on that bell and do that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you subscribe. I love to be introduced to you. Alright, you all have an awesome day, and I'm going to as well. Bye.